What is up, my Back to Life family? A lot of work going on today and for the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks, the next couple of months at my dad's dream house. We're building it. We're excited. A lot of work has happened already. This video is being shot after the fact. So I got a lot going on that I'm going to explain in the videos. I'm super duper excited though, because you guys get to see the entire process of the sheetrock, or drywall, as some people call it, trim getting delivered, how they mud all that stuff, how they put up the crown molding and all that. It's super duper awesome though. So you're going to get to enjoy it, experience it, and I'm excited to share this entire process with you. So let's jump right in. Alrighty, y'all. So first things first, here you see a bunch of the sheetrock. They deliver it on this huge truck and they just bring them all in for you, stack them up real nice. As you can see, there's just a bunch of it going through the entire house, because you don't want to just have it all stacked in one place. And then you see the guys walking around on stilts. One guy holding the 2x4 thing that they made just to help out while the guys drill the screws in. And you see these guys are working super duper fast. Really great crew. They do an amazing job. And they just walk around like that, balance pretty good. One guy sits there and cuts and make sure all the measurements fit. And then he hands them off to the other guys. And that's my dad walking down the stairs. But as this guy's making the measurements, he sends them down to the other guy. That's more of the carry guy and the cut guy. And then literally it's just a big team process. They come in, hand it off, and those two guys hold it up, get a few screws in, and then repeat the entire process. As you can see here, slowly, just one by one, you knock it out, and then next thing you know, the entire house is completely sheetrocked or drywalled. Different people call it different things. So it's a really cool process to watch, especially for me. I love this. It's very satisfying and very easy on the eyes to see it. And sometimes they use these cool little power tools that can just, cut off things and make things a lot simpler, instead of using hand saws and all that good stuff that you probably had to use many years ago, and things that a lot of people still use to this day. So it just makes life a lot easier. It is so cool seeing all this progress. Why? Because a lot of people have been asking, like, what is going on? Do you not cover the wood? Do you not do this? Do you not do that? What is the foam? How do you cover it up? This is how. If you've never been involved in building a house, how would you know? Okay, so that's what it was without the foam initially, right? There was nothing. There was just concrete. This is perfect because this is all the steps. You got the foundation poured, then you got the framing, then you got the insulation, then you put the sheetrock. And when I tell you all this stuff can literally be broken, here, let me give you an example. Just watch this. See, I use my head. I got a hard head. But yeah, this stuff is literally like particle. Like, you can even see it falling off right there. But that's the whole process. The blue that you see is moisture board. So it's used in bathrooms, areas like that. And then this right here is used throughout rooms and on the ceilings. But I'm gonna keep giving you more progress and we'll go from there. Just to give you all an idea here, when you walk in the restroom, you see it's all blue, right? Why is that? Because in here, you got a lot of water. When you're taking a shower, it goes to the wall. The board's got to be able to withstand that moisture, so you call it a moisture board. Out here, you don't have moisture, so you just got regular boards. Sheetrock, drywall, whatever you want to call it. Just depends on who you are. And you always got to have a tortilla, little skillet. That's what the Hispanic guys always eat for lunch. It's looking good in here, though. We love the progress. I can't wait to show you guys when they do the mudding. I love it. Okay. You can kill it. I love this. They call it the bazooka. All right, Joel, so as you can see, we got all the sheetrock or drywall, as a lot of people call it. I've told you plenty of times, this is stuff you could literally run up and punch through. So depending on where you live in the world, this stuff it's good if you're not like ramming your head through it or your fist. However, as you were seeing in the videos, how they were putting it on, you tape it, then you put mud over it, which is made out of some material, chemical situation, a bunch of substances, and it looks really good. Then you sand all this down, and after that, we're gonna add primer to all the walls before we paint and all that good stuff. And then after primer and all this stuff is sanded, we're actually going to start with crown molding, all the trim in the house. And the trim is just like the nice custom woods that you could see. Like if you see crown molding along the top of the ceilings, they're not here obviously, but you put it up against the top. Then you'd have baseboards and stuff like that. But obviously I'm in the garage, so you can't see a lot going on. They got their Hispanic music blaring, so I didn't want to like fight over the radio and my voice. So a lot of good progress going on. We're excited. My dad's working here every single day, supervising, doing what needs to be done. I'm over here filming, acting like I'm working, but really, I don't know what I'm doing. Just making YouTube videos. Yo, we got the man Carlos, main man Carlos here, guys. Hardest worker, man. Woo! The boss man. Okay. Yo, you know we had to bring Smoothie King for the guys, man. Got my guys drinking smoothies. Break time, baby. That's a good time. Break time is a good time, yeah? Hey, I like that. You're in the shade. No sun. I like that, brother. That's a good brother right there. Oh, yeah. We got to enjoy Smoothie King. Excuse me, sir. How do you feel? Wow. How do you feel, sir?
I feel very good. It's a little bit too cold.
The smoothie is too cold? Brain freeze. A little bit of brain freeze. How you feel about the house, sir?
About house, feel very good. About this,
well, I'm gonna enjoy my smoothie. He's got brain freeze. I'm gonna enjoy mine. And we're getting close to finishing this. I'm just kidding. We still got a long way to go. Yes, sir. Gracias, señor. I'm gonna make you famous, Francisco. You're gonna be muy famoso. You guys look like thugs with the mask on. I love it. So right here, you see the guys priming all the walls, the ceilings, every single wall. It's to make sure that when you actually paint, that the paint actually looks really, really good. So they go over it, they spray it, they roll it to make sure they're doing a really, really good job. And these guys are awesome. My man Francisco and Mando, they got their masks on that look super cool and their whole suits so they don't get all dirty. But they're doing an amazing job priming all the walls and the ceilings to make sure that the paint job looks absolutely phenomenal. So we've got all of our wood delivered for all of the trim. So we're gonna have a lot of crown molding. We're gonna have baseboards. We're gonna have shiplap along the walls. It's gonna be really, really, really beautiful. A lot of nice, beautiful wood that just looks amazing. That ends up getting painted. But in the meantime, my dad's working on this awesome fireplace. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. He had to put all this together, him and one of our workers, David, and it just looks awesome. It's going to be crazy when we start having any family gatherings in here and just burning a ton of wood to feel a lot better in the cold and things like that. I'm really excited. As you can see, it's rock solid. But my dad is just, putting in the design, putting brick around it so that it looks nice and pretty. So when you see it, it's very pleasing to the eye. But let's head outside, see what's going on. So right here, you're going to see the soffits have been painted. My guy Francisco and his crew are painting all the way around the house. So it comes off as like a white color. Looks really good with the brick once the brick is done. So the exterior looks really, really, really nice. And you do it all the way around the house so that it matches nice with the shingles. There's some contrast there, but it just looks really amazing. We're really excited about this. Man, y'all know we taking care of the guys, man. Got my man Francisco right here. Take you one, brother. Sure. Take you a smoothie, brother. Thank you, brother. David, come on, man. Take a break, brother. Did you take a straw? No. Take a straw, brother. There you go, man. Oh, no, thank you, brother. Hey, Mando. Come on, man. We got to get you some, dog. All right. Come on, brother.
Appreciate it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, careful. Ooh. Frank might be mad at you if we drop the rest of them. Frank, we got to get you some, brother. What's up, baby? We got to get you a smoothie. All right. Yo. We got to take care of the guys, man. If it ain't Smoothie King, it ain't right. Oh, we're dropping straws and everything. They're doing an awesome job, though. All right, y'all, this build has been absolutely amazing. Building my dad's dream house just gets better and better with every single day. We got the trim going in. Y'all saw the sheetrock. Y'all saw all that stuff happening, and it just gets better with each and every day. Woo, that sun is bright. It is beaming on my forehead right now. I'm so sorry. It's like becoming fall. The weather's changing. We got the painters out here working. It's an amazing experience. My dad's excited. We're excited. Got the big old dumpster behind us, but I hope you guys are enjoying this. We definitely are. I can't wait to show you more progress. I hope you're just enjoying how we do things here in America. If you're from somewhere else, or if you're from America and you've never seen how to build a house, I hope you're enjoying that process. So we'll keep on moving. All right, this top part is gonna look crazy. What? This upstairs is gonna look crazy. Yeah. So I've been showing you the trim guys doing all the work. We got a lot of great wood going in, so it's making the house look really, really, really prestigious, really nice. Like when you put trim into a house and you get all these cool little add-ins, it just gives the house character. As you can see, they're putting this on the back porch along the ceiling right there, so that looks dope. And everywhere else in the house, there's just small walls that might have a little accent of shiplap. And it just gives it a little touch of what you actually want, people to see. It takes that creativity and takes it to the next level. Alrighty, y'all, the fireplace is finished. My dad did a great job. It's gonna be a vibe, man. Y'all see all that beautiful brick. Everything is nice and clean. Looks darn good. Everybody's gonna be chilling right there, enjoying the fire, just having a darn good time. But let me show y'all some of this wood, what's going on with the trim. Just give you a quick update. I know I showed it through the video with a little music, but showing it happening like this looks pretty darn cool. This pile is dwindling down. I think one of my favorite walls is this one here in my dad's bedroom, I'm sorry. And it's gonna get painted, and you see we got the trim along the windows and all that good stuff. Each window like that, so great progress. We're excited, we're happy with it. All right, y'all, so all the brick has been delivered. My dad is super excited, super duper excited. Yes, sir, that looks darn good too. There it is. You see what's going on. We got all the sand to mix all the mortar, and I'll show you that process once it gets closer. But you see all the mortar right there. You mix it in here with the sand, and then it comes out looking like that. So my dad's super duper excited, but you can see that it's placed all around the house. All the scaffolds are set up. We are ready for it. We're super duper excited, as I've said probably 50 million times. But once this brick is up around the entire exterior, this house is going to look like a small little castle, just because you see how we've got the copper valleys right there. Zoom in for you. We got the copper valleys, so that's been aging with the sun and just with the weather, but it's just gonna look super duper amazing. And yeah, soon we'll have a beautiful home. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. It's about time to end this video. Alrighty, y'all, the house is looking freaking awesome. We're super duper excited. Lot going on. Obviously, we've shown you everything that we've progressed on. I'm super duper excited. My dad's excited. Everybody that's a part of the team is excited. We're just ready for my dad to finally have his dream house. He's been waiting a long time. I think what is he, 62 years old. So he's ready for that. It's been a lot of hard work, a lot of grind, a lot of effort, a lot of sweat. And there's still a lot of work to do. And the outside's gonna be getting brick, which will probably take a couple of weeks to do. My dad's gonna be doing that work, so I can't wait to show you the outside of the house as it's getting bricked up. And it's just been a super duper awesome process. I hope you guys are enjoying it just as much as we are. But without further ado, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Drop a comment, tell my dad what you think. He loves reading through the comments. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at NicoTJR so you can follow this along throughout the days. And also make sure you check out shopbacktolife.com. Grab you some merch, support the movement so I can keep bringing you awesome content. Well, Back to Life family, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
I know that I can. I know that I can. I know that I can. I know that I will, and I know that I am. Yeah. I know that I can. I will, and I am.